ASTQB wants you to be prepared for the ISTQB Foundation Level Exam. You can download all of the ISTQB Foundation study resources for free on our website. You can also watch free ASTQB Foundation Level Exam prep videos of the must-know items before you take the exam. ISTQB's Foundation Level 5.1.5 Test Case Prioritization. Once the test cases and the test procedures are specified and assembled into test suites, these test suites can be arranged in a test execution schedule that defines the order in which they must be run. When prioritizing test cases, different factors can be taken into account. The most commonly used test case prioritization strategies are as follows. Risk-based prioritization, where the order of test execution is based on the results of risk analysis. Test cases covering the most important risks are executed first. Coverage-based prioritization, where the order of test execution is based on coverage. Test cases achieving the highest coverage are executed first. In another variant called additional coverage prioritization, the test case achieving the highest coverage is executed first. Each subsequent test case is the one that achieves the highest additional coverage. Requirements-based prioritization, where the order of test execution is based on priorities of the requirements traced back to the corresponding test cases. Requirement priorities are defined by stakeholders. Test cases related to the most important requirements are executed first. Ideally, test cases would be ordered to run based on their priority levels using, for example, one of the previously mentioned prioritization strategies. However, this practice may not work if the test cases or the features being tested have dependencies. If a test case with a higher priority is dependent on the test case with a lower priority, the lower priority test case must be executed first. The order of test execution must also take into account the availability of resources. For example, the required test tools, test environments, or people that may only be available for a specific time window. If you know what software testing is, you will be one step closer to success with your ISTQB Foundation Level Exam from ASTQB. Download the free ISTQB Foundation Level Exam preparation materials today. www.astqb.org